Oh yeah, back up here on Elephant Hill again. It's been raining a lot, so now it's greener than usual. And yeah, otherwise, just an update. There's been a lot of dorm room drama right now, and basically just a lot of things messing around with my EQ. So that's why I'm up here to fly, and I'll talk more about that later. I'm good. I can film you guys though with my drone.
Oh, okay then. That's
yeah.
Cool.
Okay, just retrieved my quad, and it's a bit windy right now, as you can see. And wow, there's a bit of rain too. My God. Anyways, what I really wanted to talk about today was in a previous video, as you can see on my QX65 video. It shows me doing like homework really focused and things like that. And the truth is, in real life, most of the time I'm really distracted while doing homework, and that's why I do FPV, because FPV is one of the things that gets me into that calm mental state that helps me do homework. And shit, now it's raining, I've got to go right now, and yeah, I'll talk more about it later. Okay, sorry about the wind noise there, you know, forgot about that and things like that. And what I was mainly trying to say there was that FPV adventures and even flying small things like this tiny loop just keeps my focus up and energy up while I'm studying, which is pretty good. And I honestly would encourage all of you guys out there who are watching this video to go ahead and find a hobby that suits them. I don't think FPV is for everyone, and I feel like what I'm really trying to say is that everyone should just go out and find a hobby that suits them. And in my opinion, it's always better to explore hobbies, try out new things, and yeah, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. I gotta go to sleep right now.